Good morning, all of you. Myself Sandeep Parashar, and I am welcoming you online classes, ninth class, computer class. We are reading Part A, Unit First. In this, we had reading method of communication, and I already finished verbal communication. In verbal communication, oral communication, we already finished. Now, second method is written communication. It involves sending message in the form of written words to convey information. Written communication is the most formal form of communication. It is an innovative activity of the mind that involves a careful choice of words and their placement in the correct order. Example of written communication include letters, reports, resume, browser, circular, memorandum, contract, notice, etc. SMS, they all come in the written method of communications. What is the advantage of this? Written communication allow the sender to thoughtful draft clear and comprehensive message. It is clear. Content, written content has legal validity. If you want to save it for future, then you can save it. It is a suitable mode for communication for lengthy message. If you are going to give a speech 2 or 3 hours, it is not possible. But if you want to write a letter, a book, it is possible. Disadvantage of written communication. Written communication requires time for drafting the message. We require time for writing the message. Written communication may involve postage cost. If you want to send or if you want to publish, you feel cost. Written message causes feedback and consequently delay in decision making. Whenever you are going to write anything, its response will come later. Non-verbal communication. I already told you, in verbal communication we have words, but in non-verbal communication we don't have words. In this we have gestures, body gestures, eye. Non-verbal communication means communicating without the use of words, oral or written. It can be effectively used to enhance our verbal communication. It includes our body language, gestures, facial expressions, eye contact, pointing fingers, etc. Nonverbal sign can convey thought and feeling in the absence of verbal communication. How we say something is often more important than what we say. Research by Albert Merman suggests that non-verbal communication has a more significant impact on receiver the speaker's word. Whenever any teacher is in your class and if you want to communicate with your friend, what you do? You make so many facial expressions, use gestures. This is the type of non-verbal communication. The different element of non-verbal communication is facial expression. It is the most noticeable aspect of non-verbal communication. The look on a person's face is often the first thing we say, even before we hear what he has to say. If you are communicating with anyone, first of all we see her or his face. If he is not interested to talk with you, then he make faces. Gestures, consecutive hand and body movements and signals are essential way to communicate without words. Some of the common gestures include waving, pointing, and using fingers to indicate numbers. However, some unconscious gestures also convey one's state of mind. For example, glancing at the watch is interpreted as a sign of disinterest or a desire to leave the conversation. So many times, if you are watching your watch continuously, it means you are not interested in the listening anyone. Voice, non-verbal speech such as tone, pitch, volume, modulation, rhythm, and rate are essential elements of communication. When we speak, other people read our voice in addition to listening our words. These non-verbal sounds provide subtle but powerful clues into our true feelings and what we mean. Sometimes our voice gives them a proper communication way. If we are angry, then they can identify you are in angry mood. Body language. If we feel positive whenever we are listening anyone, we give positive body language. We communicate numerous messages through our body language. Body language include facial expressions, eye movements, hand gestures, posture, etc. For example, standing erect and leaning forward communicate to listener that you are approachable and friendly. Using appropriate expression and gesture strengthen your speech. For example, in a declamation contest, if your body language reflects confidence, your speech will have a greater impact on the audience as well as on the judge. If you are positive and confidence whenever you are going to speech, it will give impact. Eye gaze. The movement of eyes, like looking, staring, and blinking, is an essential form of non-verbal communication. Eye gaze also determines if someone is being honest or not. Steady eye contact may be interpreted as the person being with truthful and trustworthy. If anybody is talking with you, when they take eye into eye, it means he is truthful. Physical contact. Communicating through physically contact is another essential non-verbal behavior. Sometimes a touch may be able to express the feeling more effectively than the words. For example, a warm hug from a mother console a child, where a firm grip of a mother show her control to prevent the child from doing something wrong. Sometimes our hug express everything. If you are hugging anyone, it means you are happy with him. Dress and appearances. In oral form of communication, the appearance of both the speaker and the surrounding play a vital role in creating an impact on the audience or receiver. For example, a well-dressed person gives an impression of position and power, thus generating respect from others. If you are well reputed dressing sense, then you give an impact. Advantage of non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication complement a verbal message. It is a compliment. You no need to say a word, but you can say. Physical gesture greatly help handicapped people, especially deaf people. If anybody is deaf, he is not able to speak, then he can do it through the signification or sign. It is difficult to analyze a non-verbal message, thus leaving a great possibility of distortion of information. Sometimes it creates misunderstanding. In non-verbal communication, long conversation and necessary explanations are not possible. We can't explain everything through the non-verbal communication. Thank you. Stay at home. Stay safe.